Hello everyone, today we will learn how to write and say the United States in Chinese. United States is the largest English-speaking country and the largest in the Western Hemisphere by land area, second largest by total area after Canada. Secondary figures for total area and water area including all coastal and territorial waters. So okay, now let's learn how to write it and say it in Chinese. Okay, now let's move to my pad. Okay, now move to my pad. First I will write it in English. United States. So United States. Then I write it in Chinese. 美国 美国 right? So I write in pinyin 美国 美国 Sometimes in Chinese 美 which means beautiful B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L So 美国 it's a beautiful beautiful country beautiful 美 in Chinese character which means beautiful 国 which means a nation a beautiful country so 美国 this is I think a good name for the United States in Chinese so you can practice 美国 okay so see you next time bye bye